Okay, students, a very good morning to all online students. Hopefully, they are muted. Yes, students, let us continue with our topic that we were doing yesterday. We were discussing question answers. Let Summer come forward. Summer, you come here with Jashan. You don't need to have your notebook. Come here with Jashan. Sit properly, Jashan. Your class is at back, beta. Yes, students, before starting question answers, till few more students join the class, let me tell you today we will be finishing the question answers chapter 7, right? Tomorrow is Sunday. I hope on Monday I will get all the copies of offline students. 39 copies are there. This is the responsibility of Bani, and from boys side, Kanishk will manage the notebooks. Got it? Girls will be managed by Bani, and from boys side, all the notebooks, including his also, Kanishk will be collecting on Monday morning and submitting it to me. And the next very important thing is for offline students, those who are offline, they will submit their notebook to me online. Online students, they will submit it to me online only. Offline students' notebooks will not be checked online. They have to submit it on Monday in hand. And only online students will submit it to me in the group by tomorrow evening. Is this clear? By tomorrow evening. Any doubt? Any queries? Let us finish our work now. Students, I hope there is nothing to talk about. Yes, we did up to question 8. है ना? Examples के साथ हमने discuss कर लिया था कि why we find animals of a certain kind living in a particular climatic conditions. I think it was discussed very much. Now coming to 9th question, how do elephant living in tropical rainforest adapt itself? Don't say, ma'am, I can see your raised hands. Yes, Dharamjit. Suhana, please take the screenshot of participants. During summers. Very good. Very well. Clap for him. He has done good work. Without looking into the book, he has completed his answer. Very right. All the adaptations of elephant has been told to you. 3 major adaptations and their roles also. So you have to do that. Next. Choose the, ये इतने तक questions हमने book में करने हैं, copy में करने हैं. Choose the correct option which answers the following questions. A carnivore with stripes on its body. Why you are so late? आपको पता है टाइमिंग क्या है? कल ग्रुप में डाले थे टाइमिंग्स. Why you are so late today? This is not the answer. चलिए बैठिए. Yes, a carnivore with stripes on its body move very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in. Don't answer like this. I can see your raised hands. Tropical rainforest. Which feature adapt polar bears to live in extremely cold climate? A white fur, fat glow skin, keen sense of smell. Thin skin, large eyes, white fur. A long tail, strong claws, white large paws. First is the answer. White fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell. ठीक है? Next, which option best describes moderate temperature, heavy rainfall? Got it? With this, we have finished this chapter. Now coming to next chapter, that is lesson number 9, soil. Please erase the board. Soil. Interesting chapter, lot of diagrams, lot of numericals with new things, new concepts. मार्क्स बताइएगा अपने साइंस के. Shall we start with lesson number 9? We have to start, that is soil. Will you stop talking? Hanji students, this soil is one of the very important natural resources. You know, there are so many natural resources: air, water, sun, it is there, sunlight jo hai. So out of all these, one of these you can say soil is also important natural resource. Manik, what you are writing? Huh? हाँ जी मानिक, क्या लिख रहे हो? शो मी, ब्रिंग इट. मैंने ये डस्टबिन में थ्रो कर देनी है. नहीं, आई हैव टोल्ड यू सो मेनी टाइम्स, देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग सच थिंग्स इन द स्कूल. व्हेन आई एम डिक्टेटिंग एवरीथिंग इन द क्लास, व्हाई यू आर ब्रिंगिंग दिस? यू विल नॉट गेट इट. एंड व्हाट अबाउट योर मास्क? Yes, students, soil is very important natural source. ठीक है? Why it is so important? Because it supports life. In soil, plants are grown, and you know the benefits of plants. Plants provide us food, due to which we and other organisms live. Plants provide us oxygen, due to which we are able to breathe. We are alive because of plants, and plants, they are grown in soil. So it is such an important resource. If soil is not there, there will be no growth of plants. And if plants are not there, there will be nothing on the earth. Got it? Number 2, this soil is home to many animals. Earthworms, they make burrows. Snakes, they live in the soil, right? Apart from this, so many microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, they are also found in soil. They are also found in soil, right? सिर्फ यही नहीं, rodents, ants, कितना कुछ हमें soil में मिलता है, which are required, right? Then come to next, formation of soil. Very important topic. Soil बनती कैसे है? This I think you are doing since 3rd, 4th. How soil is formed? Can you tell me the one word to describe the formation of soil? How is soil formed? Simple, one word is yes, no. Weathering. Soil is formed by वेदरिंग। अगर आपको एक वर्ड में इसको डिस्क्राइब करना हो सॉइल फॉर्मेशन को, तो द आंसर इज वेदरिंग। ठीक है, देन स्टूडेंट्स, एक्चुअली सॉइल फॉर्मेशन इज अ स्लो स्टेप वाइज कॉन्टिन्यूअस प्रोसेस। बहुत ही धीरे धीरे सॉइल फॉर्मेशन होती है, स्टेप्स में फॉर्मेशन होती है, एंड इट इज कॉन्टिन्यूअस, इट नेवर स्टॉप्स, राइट। देन हाउ इट टेक्स प्लेस, कैसे होती है वेदरिंग, कैसे होती है सॉइल फॉर्मेशन, कैसे होती है, क्या होता है। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज ब्रेकिंग डाउन ऑफ रॉक्स। फर्स्ट स्टेप है ब्रेकिंग डाउन ऑफ रॉक्स। बड़े बड़े रॉक्स जो हैं, on coming in contact with air, water, wind and sun rays, these rocks get cracked. इनमें क्रैक आ जाता है, right? With the passage of time, these rocks, they get broken and become very, very small pieces. When these becomes small pieces due to action of heat, wind and rain, this process is known as weathering. Is this clear? इतना क्लियर हो गया। बड़े बड़े रॉक के पीसेस, बड़े बड़े रॉक के पीसेस ड्यू टू एक्शन ऑफ हीट, विंड and rain, they broke down into small pieces. Further, they got more broken till they got in powdered form, right? This process of breaking down of rock pieces into smaller particles, this process is known as weathering, right? Weathering is clear to you? And students, this weathering, it does not take place in 1 year. It does not take place in 2 years. It is a very slow process. It may take millions of years. It is a very, very slow and continuous process. एक बारिश में रॉक्स नहीं टूटते, एक धूप में रॉक्स नहीं टूटते, ये एक कॉन्टिन्यूअस प्रोसेस है जो कई सालों चलता है, स्लो है, राइट। देन उसके बाद क्या हुआ, हमारे पास पाउडर्ड रॉक पार्टिकल्स आ गए जो कि हम सॉइल बन गए, ठीक है, ड्यू टू वेदरिंग। नाउ व्हाट हैपन, plants and animals, they die and they get mixed into these soil particles, and these dead plants and animals, they are called humus, that makes the soil fertile. ये soil को fertile बना देते हैं। Is this clear? I am repeating again. Weathering तक हो गया, powdered rock particles are obtained. Now plants and animals die. These plants and animals, they get decomposed by microorganisms and they get mixed with the soil. These dead bodies of plants and animals that get mixed in the soil after decomposition, ये जो organic matter बनता है, that makes the soil fertile, that organic matter is known as humus. Got it? अब हमारी soil fertile हो गई। मैंने ना ये स्टेपल कर देना यहाँ पे। They make the soil fertile. अब हमारी soil fertile होने के बाद it is ready to be grown plants, right? Clear? अब ये जो अर्थ की टॉप मोस्ट लेयर बनी, टॉप मोस्ट लेयर बनी ऑफ अर्थ, जिसमें क्या है, नो soil particles and humus, which is suitable for plant growth, it is called soil. इसको हम soil बोलते हैं। राइट। इसको सॉइल पार्टिकल्स ना लिखो, रॉक पार्टिकल्स लिख दो, पाउडर्ड रॉक पार्टिकल्स, राइट। इज दिस क्लियर? Now you all know there are different types of soil which you see. ऐसा क्यों है? There is different types of soil. Why it is so? It is due to the reason that soil is formed from the rocks. So different types of rocks are there. Nature of soil depend on the type of rock from which it is formed. किस तरह के रॉक से बनी है, उस तरह की उस सॉइल की नेचर होगी। नंबर 2, उसके ऊपर कौन से प्लांट्स ग्रो किए गए थे, उसके ऊपर वेजिटेशन कौन सी है, उससे पता चलता है सॉइल किस तरह की। गॉट इट? इज दिस क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? हाँ जी। नेचर ऑफ सॉइल डिपेंड्स अपॉन द type of rock from which it is formed and the type of vegetation. The nature of soil depends on the type of rock from which it is formed and the type of vegetation which grows in it. Is this clear? Now comes composition of soil. This we will be doing, demonstrating in the class on Monday. मैं आपको डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करके दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है। कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ सॉइल हमने छोटी क्लासेस में भी करी है। आप अभी मेरे साथ साथ डायग्राम बना सकते हैं। मैं आपको बता देती हूँ किस तरह की चीजें होती हैं सॉइल में और हमें करना क्या है, राइट। चलिए, our topic is now composition of soil. To see what is the composition of soil, of what things soil is made of, what we have to do, we have to take a handful of soil in a beaker and add a glass of water to it, right, and keep it on rest for some time, right. Then it is given in your book, no need, ठीक है, आप सिर्फ सुनो। What we have to do, we have to take a handful of soil and add a glass of water to it. Then we will keep that beaker at rest for some time. After some time, we will see different layers are formed in the beaker. These different layers are what? वो है composition of soil. उससे soil बनी है। तो क्या होता है उसमें? We will be drawing that. Suppose this is the beaker we have taken. Is there anything important to be talked? जिसके बिना गुजारा नहीं होगा? What is there at the back, beta? So at the bottom there is a layer of, why disturbance is there? There is a layer of broken rock particles that is known as gravel. ये broken rock particles है। इसके ऊपर छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स की लेयर है। किसकी लेयर है? sand. Above is the layer of more smaller particles, which is called clay. Why don't you stop talking? What is so important? सैंड, ये क्ले से पहले एक छोटी सी लेयर और होती है सिल्ट की, सिल्ट की। इसको थोड़ा कलर डिफरेंट कर लेना आप। ये छोटी सी लेयर होती है सिल्ट की। सिल्ट होती है जो माउंटेन से सॉइल इरोजन होके आती है, जम जाती है ना, दैट इज सिल्ट। स्टॉप टॉकिंग। दिस इज सिल्ट और इसके ऊपर ये है क्ले। देन अबव is the layer of water. Above the water, there you will find dead plants and animals that are floating above. They are humus. This is the composition of soil. Here you will see the size of particles vary. हमने बनाया भी ऐसे ही है। The heaviest thing, it settles at the bottom. उससे ऊपर जो थोड़ी सी लाइटर है उससे it will come above it. Then more lighter comes more above it. Then at the top is the lightest thing. Clear? All these things, all these components, they are of different particle size. इन सबके particles का size different है. Got it? Draw this, hurry up. हाँ जी, सैंड में, सैंड और सॉइल में बेटा एक सैंड होती है रेता, वो सॉइल में पड़ी होती है, ठीक है। कई एरियाज में सैंड इज मोर इन अमाउंट, बाकी चीजें नहीं होती, लाइक इन डेजर्ट। तो हम उस टाइप की जो सॉइल है उसको हम बोलते हैं हाँ जी, मैं सीट पे आ रही हूँ। ये लाइन क्यों लगाई है? मैंने लगाई लाइन कहीं? आप अपनी बात कीजिए प्लीज। Many students have not worn the masks. Manik, should I write the names and give to principal ma'am? Do it, beta, everybody. I am coming. No need to call me. How are you sitting? सीधे हो जाइए। हाँ जी, जैसे मर्जी बना दो, डार्क ब्राउन की बना देना। आपका मास्क कहाँ है? आप ही को बोल रही हूँ। Apart from these things present in the soil, air is also present. Air is also present in the soil. How we will prove this? What you have to do when you take Hanji, I was saying air is also present in the soil. How you can say, how you can prove this? When we take handful of soil in the glass and then add water to it, we will see bubbles coming out of it. ये bubbles कहाँ से आए? When we add water, these bubbles, these air particles, they were present in between the soil particles. So when we add water, this air tries to escape. When it escapes, it forms bubbles. On coming in contact with water, it forms bubbles. It shows that soil has air present in it also. Right? The humus present in the soil, as I discussed earlier also, this humus, it is made of the organic matter of dead plants and animals. It adds to the fertility of the soil. ये soil को fertile बनाती है. Is this clear to all? Any doubt up to this? Any doubt up to this? हाँ जी. You took handful of soil earlier. When you take handful of soil, you add water to it. When you add water, you see bubbles start forming. From where does these bubbles come? In soil particles, in between the soil particles, air was present. When you add water, this air tried to escape. And on coming in contact with water, it formed bubbles. This confirms the presence of air in soil. हाँ जी, क्या कह रहे हो? कौन से soil particles के बारे में? Air is present in between the soil particles. When you add water, this air tries to escape. When this air tries to escape, on coming in contact with water, it forms bubbles. This show the presence of air in the soil. कल हम मंडे को हम करेंगे एक तो इसकी एक्टिविटी डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन करके दिखाऊंगी मैं. नंबर 2, we will do soil profile. Soil profile में इसकी डायग्राम है और उसके सारे पार्ट्स की प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन है that you have to note down side by side, जैसे आज आपने नोटिंग करी है. Because in the book it is not very much clear. All the features of different layers of soil, they are not very much clear. बिल्कुल बनाना है कॉपी में. मंडे को ये डायग्राम कॉपी में बना के आप सबमिट करवाओगे. Got it? कनिष्क और बानी जो जो आपको कॉपीज देंगे आप रिकॉर्ड बना लोगे. Any other doubt to anyone? ऊपर को लगे थोड़ी हुए हैं, फ्लोट कर रहे हैं ऊपर. ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा, डन. तो हाँ जी, नो Don't show me. Yes, Akriti, show me your work, today's work. I cannot see. Show it properly. Okay. Kiratpal, Kiratpal, show me your work. आपके मास्क कहाँ है? Kiratpal, show me your work. Suhana, I have seen yours. Where is Kiratpal? He is not responding. I will contact his parents today. Okay, students, we'll be meeting tomorrow, day after tomorrow. On your seats.